Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an image with AI Daily, that is AI from OpenAI and Canva, and we will compare these two. So now let's start with Canva. So basically Canva, we write Canva and it is so popular. This one is Canva, so we click on connect. We use, for example, our Google account, and let's use this one, and here we go. Now, so to create anything in Canva, what you have to do is create a design. Click here, and here you choose whatever it is: document, whiteboard, presentation, Instagram post, or poster. For example, let's go with Instagram post. So now, as you can see, here is the page that we are going to work on, and here is some for example, templates that you can use them for your own image. Now you can select any kind of these images and remove or edit. For example, here we change it to something else, for example, hi YouTube, and you can do whatever you like. There is some other options with if you want Pro with it. If you buy the Pro Canva, it will give you a lot of other options and ready templates to use. So that's how you can actually make Canva, and there is some effects that you can add to your image, so you can go through them by your own and learn about it. Now, what is the difference between Canva and the AI that we are going to talk about now? The difference: Canva, you have to do everything by your own, but the daily AI, as you can see, so OpenC or OpenAI, here if we search for the daily AI, and as you can see here, if we went to log in and we logged in into here, let's use our account, and here we go. So as you can see here, let's write Instagram post, cool image with Instagram post. Let's add something else. Water products Instagram post. Let's see how or what it will give us by the end. So it will take it some seconds in order to make us this photos. So here is some photos that it made us from scratch. So we didn't do anything but write in what we want. So that's how you can, guys, actually make some photos, some cool photos for your Instagram or whatever brand you want, using only the AI instead of going through Canva or Photoshop or whatever program you have. So hey guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.